In this guide, I'm going to show you guys how to add watermark to video on Android. Let's get started. First, launch your settings app. Now scroll down and head over to the option apps. From the list of apps, find camera and launch it. Now, different options will appear. Head over to the option camera settings. Under this, you're going to find the option of watermark. Enable for that option. Once you do that, whenever you take photos and videos, you'll get the watermark of the phone model of yours. You can just launch your camera, take a video or take a picture, and then you can check it out. At the bottom right or the bottom left, you're going to find the watermark. Likewise, also you can create your custom watermark. For that, what you want to do is click on this pen kind of icon. Now click on this smiley icon. Click on text. Now here, type in the watermark that you want to add to your picture. Now you can place it anywhere. So this way you can easily add watermark to videos and photos in Android. If this guide was helpful, do not forget to like, share and subscribe.